Hello students, today we are going to study types of chemical reactions of the chapter chemical reactions and equations. Okay, when we are talking about chemical reactions, I said to you all here rearrangement of atoms are taking place by what? Breaking the bonds. For example, if I am saying calcium oxide plus water, H2O gives calcium hydroxide, what has happened over here? The bonds have broken and they have joined together to form the product, isn't it? So the mass also similar, left hand side and right hand side, and the atoms also similar. This you know also. Types of reaction which we are studying are chemical reactions are combination reaction, decomposition reaction, single displacement reaction, or you can even say displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, oxidation reaction, reduction reaction, both generally commonly called as what? Redox reaction, when they go on simultaneously, oxidation and reduction reaction. So one by one we are going to study. So combination reaction, if I am saying, if we say combine means what? Adding up means what? Summing up. So here what is happening, you can see over here calcium oxide, it reacts with water to form calcium hydroxide, isn't it? Or it is said to be what? Select lime, or you can also say what? Lime water, CaOH twice is what? Lime water only. Okay, so here what is happening? Two or more substances combine together to form a single product. Okay, here carbon plus oxygen, it forms carbon dioxide, is also an example of what? Combination reaction. Hydrogen plus oxygen, it is forming what? Water. This is also a combination reaction because hydrogen in the gaseous form is combining with the oxygen of gaseous form to form water. Even the simple example, that is of what? Mg plus O2 gives 2MgO. This is also a what? A combination reaction. Okay. Now, so in combination reaction, it is united, it is combining to form a single product. But what happens in case of decomposition reaction? Second type we are studying decomposition reaction. Decomposition, it means a big reactant side. It is a big molecule which is being broken up into simpler forms. It can be done by what? Thermal or electrical or photo. As the name suggests, thermal, here by providing heat, the bigger molecule can be broken. Electrical, by providing electricity, it can be broken. Photo, in the presence of light, a bigger molecule can be broken into smaller ones. Okay, so first I am taking the example of thermal decomposition. Okay, in this thermal decomposition, first example is of ferrous sulfate, FeSO4. When we are heating it, it breaks down into what? Ferric oxide, Fe2O3 plus sulfur sulfate plus sulfite. Okay, and you can see over here these are in the form, for which form? Gaseous form. Okay, now next calcium carbonate, when we heat it, it breaks into what? Calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Okay, and here you can see calcium oxide will be in the solid form, carbon dioxide will be in the gaseous form. Lead nitrate, which is in the solid form, when it is heated, it breaks down into lead oxide and the nitrogen dioxide and oxygen, in which you can see nitrogen dioxide and oxygen, they both are in the gaseous form, and this lead oxide we get it in the solid form. Okay, so these are the example of what? The thermal decomposition. Now electrical decomposition, if we are seeing like electrical decomposition, I am writing over here, electrical decomposition. What happens in this? Suppose you are having what? Water, and here we are passing what? Electricity, or you can write electrolysis process. Electrolysis process. Okay, so it breaks down into what? H2 plus O2, in which this hydrogen is in the gaseous form and oxygen is also in the gaseous form. So let us balance it also. We'll add water. Here it is 2, so you'll write 2 over here. So you are getting what? 2 moles of hydrogen and 1 mole of oxygen when 2 moles of water is being decomposed by the process of electrolysis. Okay, then the next is the photo decomposition. In this you will see what? You will take silver chloride, keep it in sunlight, you will see that what happened, it decomposes to silver and chlorine. You can also take of silver bromide also, okay. Silver bromide you will what? Keep it in sunlight. You will get what? Silver plus bromine. Okay, this silver is in what? Solid form. This bromine is in what? Gaseous form. Okay, so here photo decomposition, you can see here a single molecule has been broken into simpler forms. Now one example you can see over here. This is an example of what? Respiration. So in this you can see what is this C6H12O6. This is what? Glucose. This glucose, with the presence of oxygen and water, what happens? It breaks into what? Carbon dioxide is released out and water plus energy is released out. Here energy is being released out. So what type of reaction this is? This is a exothermic reaction. Okay, I would like to give you an example of endothermic also. If you are taking ammonium chloride and you are adding water to it, what will happen? You will see after some time the test tube becomes cold. That is an example of endothermic, because in that reaction it has taken the energy to cover up the chemical reaction or to carry out the chemical process to form the product. Okay, so say these two we have studied today: combination reaction, decomposition reaction. Along with that, subtopics exothermic reaction and endothermic reaction. In the next class, we will be studying single displacement, double displacement, and the redox reaction. This is all for today. Good day. Take care.